What? That's my kink. It is on. It's been recording. Okay. Yes. Also the CD. Temp 2. Track. Joe turns off traction control to kill himself.
Oh! Okay.
That's what traction control off is. That means Joe can do burnouts too. Safe corner.
Oh, it's probably stopped.
Of course it did. First burnout in the
That was not a burnout.
first fake burnout. I think they're clearing that road. Or doing something. Accord V6.
Alabama, the place where you can get racism all the time.
Breaking necks. Joe has no traction right now.
Still looks decent. But look at this.
Yeah. Fun times right now. Have that wide angle kit on your car. And you didn't floor it. You're supposed to floor it when you start going. Counter steer pointing the direction you want to go and floor.
Hopefully there's no marks on you. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast right now.
I think you need to learn front wheel drive drifting.
It's difficult. It's not what I mean, I'm used to nothing. Okay, let's be real.
Not having to deal with it.
Why do I shovel it? Leading traction control on. Let's see if we can. Good. Did we get it? Yeah. There's a car behind me, hurry. Go! No car. Oh wait, yeah, there is.
Who's ordering pizza?
That's Ruben. That's our maintenance guy for the morning.
But like, don't order pizza.
Why, Ruben, why are you risking your
Wait, it's a Honda, so it's good. Doesn't have traction control, so it's extra good.
Make sure you go to the Hawk website. 999thehawk.com, right on the homepage.
Third person driving.
The 69 new Storm Center.
Do you want to climb up back in?
And everything's updated and alphabetized. School delays and closings, business delays and closings.
You did it.
That's super illegal. With those both cars just crossed the double yellow.
I got on camera. I got your plates.
Got him.
Got him.
Got him. Why is you're not even plowing? What are you doing, dude?
Getting to the place where he needs to plow.
His wife!
He's like,
He got too hard. All-wheel drive.
it's cross country.
I can't get it. I guess we'll park here.
Get off the mat.
Does it take a couple tries for you normally?
Hey, for a friend. Hey, make sure to take off your shoes, Miss Mesco Wu.
This is so weird. Did you go in John's room?
No, but the door's open.
You guys can get the fluid?
Let me get to see if the spray paint's here. Where did John put the spray? Of the paint. I haven't seen it yet.
Okay. John's sister texted you?
Yes, because John, I don't know, didn't have his phone at some point. And look how bad that is. Like, you can't walk through that.
No.
But I did.
So what should we do to John's computer? Huh?
Well, John does not have multiple drives. Does he have a CD drive?
Go check.
If he does, then you can set the boot to the CD drive.
It's so dark.
Yes. But John has a light in his room. Hey, Chip. You know what to do. I gotta pee, and I need to eat. Chef, don't eat your food right away. Eat when you're ready. Got it? I got you. Hey.
Michael, you should take the Marantz.
No, that's too heavy. I don't want to carry it. And I don't want it.
Don't?
I mean, it would be good. It would be like having another Yamaha. Basically, but like a nicer one. It's basically a nicer Yamaha.